So I'm all done with restoring the interior on the 80 LUV. It turned out really nice and I didn't break the bank. And I want to show you how I did it, and hopefully you can apply some of those things that I did in there to your own build, and hopefully it helps you out. So check it out. So first I made the door panels. I used 3/16 inch plywood, which cost me about 30 bucks. All I did was trace the original, and including all of the mounting holes and everything, and cut them out. I went down to Hobby Lobby and picked up some vinyl and some padding, which was 16 bucks. So we're about $46 for the door panels. I was missing a bunch of the door clips, so I had to buy some. They're real easy to find on eBay. Just look for some GM door panel clips. They were $13.95 for 12. So in my last video I showed you how I did this dash. So if you haven't seen that yet, check that out. The vinyl and the padding that I used, the price for that stuff was 32 bucks. So the edge trim that I used here on the face of the dash is the same trim that I used around the door seal. I bought 25 feet of it on Amazon for 37 bucks. And it was enough to do the whole project. So the carpet kit is from stockinteriors.com. It was $151.85. You want this to be pretty much about right here so that your feet or your heels rest on this and not on the carpet. So in order to do that, we have to cut up here because it's ran into a dead end there. It's pretty nice. It's well put together. Comes with some nice padding on the bottom. You can actually get more padding at the time of purchase. So you can see the carpet kit fits for the most part alright. It's got the basic shapes down. It has some extra shapes, like this must be for a different model. Definitely not for a LUV. We don't have that in these trucks. But it's alright. I already did the same carpet kit in the blue truck, and that just smashes down with the seat. Your mounting holes are actually here and here for the seat. The hardest part about this is just getting this rubber boot back in. It's quite challenging. So off the front of the carpet kit, I had to remove 2 inches off the entire front, and then about 5 more inches right in the center, right behind the heater. And that's it. And then I'll trim, looks like a couple inches off the back as well. So at this point, I am ready. Before I put the seat in, if I try to put the seat in without the carpet tie downs, it's gonna shift all around and everything. So I'm gonna install the carpet tie downs. This is my new latest version of the original. It's made out of a solid piece of aluminum sheet, water jet cut, and it's the exact shape as the original. And it's a real nice addition. Oops, it's backwards. And it's going to go just like that. So I got the seat reupholstered at Burns Upholstery in Eagle Point, Oregon. It cost me $350. They do a fantastic job. As you can see, the seat was pretty much destroyed, and now look at it, it's just wonderful. Special thanks to Doug at Burns Upholstery. Great work, and I'd say it's a pretty fair price. And to top it off, I had to put in my own stainless garage parts. Got your shifter knobs, heater knobs, windshield wiper, headlight knob, turn signal lever, window crank, carpet tie downs, and door sill step plates. So there it is. That's it. And if I don't count the cost of the parts of my own that I put in there, it really only cost me about $632 or so. So really, that's not that bad. I mean, the seat alone cost half of that. So for that price, I think that we got a really nice look. It's clean, and we can still use it as a truck and not worry about getting it dirty or mess it up. And there you have it. It really is that simple. You don't have to do it all at once like I did. Take your time. Do your door panels, it's 50 bucks. Do your dash, it's 35 bucks. You can just pick away at it little by little. Get it all done. Make it look nice. Make it your own. Go to Spanish Garage. Check out what I have to offer there. There's lots of different options for your knobs and interior components, and maybe even some replacement parts. Just check it out. Anyways, thanks for tuning in. That's all I got. So until next time.